Hey, does your keyboard look like this? Are you looking to make it one step closer to your very own custom board? Well then, take a look at Artisan keycaps. These are Dwarf Factory keycaps, a very well-known artisan keycap company that brings customization to a whole new level. I was lucky enough to have a local keyboard shop in my hometown, but my wallet really regretted it. These are priced around $55 USD to $17 USD. The links will be down in the description and right about here. Inside comes with a small guide and 2 finger gloves. Okay, anyways, look at this beauty. It looks like a charm. This is the Kraken and the Gaia's crown. Super beautiful. Do you guys think it's worth it? Let me know down in the comments below. And until then, bye!